I'm Fena Barbitall, and welcome back to the wonderful weaving world of Fena Barbitall. Today, on the channel, we're going to be discussing straight hair. We're going to take this lovely gal right here, and we're going to brush her and treat her with some lovely products, and then I'm going to run a hot steamer through her and take this curl right out. Tools you're going to need for today's project: a wig head, a block, a wig, a wonderful stand, a sturdy stand, a brush, preferably a clean one. Another thing you're going to need for today, a steamer. This is a steamer. Another product you're going to need today is a lovely hair oil, something to give a nice sheen, soft glow to your wig. Hair clips. Oh, and one final product. You. To brush the wig out, you would start at the ends, and not this one. You would start at the ends and work your way up. Because if you just started from the root and started dragging down, you're gonna knot it even more. So, start from the ends. Take your time. This is where the clips come in. You can separate, clip your hair up, and do section by section. Now that our wig is nice and brushed out and silky smooth, we're gonna fire up that steamer. I'm gonna start with the underlayer, or as I like to call it, the undercarriage. Do you hear that? That's the steamer telling you it's ready. Don't hold the steamer at your face. Hold it towards the camera lens. That way you give yourself a nice season 1 filter. Do I look like RuPaul from 20 years ago? Take your metal brush that's dirty and full of hair and start about, I'd say 4 inches, 5 inches away from the hair with the brush and the steamer all in one motion going down the hair. And you'll see right before your eyes the hair magically go from curly to straight. Essentially, in layman's terms, you're bending plastic. You are heating up the plastic fibers in this wig and bringing them to a relaxed state. And the metal brush is helping to brush them downward to give them a nice, sleek, straight look. See that? Magic. Putting steam heat on a synthetic wig will give you this result. This is a nice, gentle heat. Most synthetic wigs, if you put a curling iron to it or a flat iron, it would literally just singe and burn. Some of them are heat safe, but I always say go with the gentle steam heat. If you drag the brush through the wig and kind of bend it, you can give the ends a little bit of a flick, just to give it a little bit of character. Now that we've completed steaming our wig, we're gonna add a little bit of product to give this wig a nice sheen. My favorite product for giving sheen to straight hair, or really kind of any wig after you're done with it, is hair oil. This is a nice, dense argan oil. It also smells lovely. Take your hair oil, lather your hands, and drag it through the wig, starting from the top down to the ends, just like this. Last step, taking your brush, and you see a clean sweep. Look at that. Can you even tell that's not human? So now that you've run your oil through the hair, I can't stop touching it, you will leave it to air dry. It'll take a couple hours, maybe overnight. Maybe leave it in a windowsill or outside, not where any like bears can get it or anything. You know, those guys love to wear heels and wigs. Leave it to air dry. If anything, each time you wear it, you can run a little bit of this oil through the ends just to give it a nice, smooth touch. So this is the way I like to do straight hair. If you have a better way, please comment below. I'd love to know a new trick. I'd love to know a new way of doing it. Thank you for joining me for another fabulous installment of the wonderful weaving world of Fena Barbitall.